Hi guys, Seamus here, back again with another update on our 124 scale Vietnam 3D prints I've done there during the week. So we got one painted. Now I hold my hands up, I'm not one for painting figures. It's not my strong point, but I'll try it anyhow. So this is how it started off, sort of thing. We did do them white primer. Done this one white primer. And that one. So as I say, I've 12 to do all together, different poses, plus I have another 5 to download on the stretcher sort of thing. 4 carrying the one stretcher, one casualty. This is how it started off. And we used our different olive drab colours and whites and so forth to where we are now at the minute with this one. So there you go guys, just a quick update on our Vietnam figures for the 124 scale Yuri. Anyway, thanks for watching. Speak to you all later. Bye.